What if the smaller cruise ship actually delivers a better vacation than those floating cities with 7,000 passengers? Celebrity Xcel 2026 is proving it, and today I'm breaking down exactly why this under-the-radar ship is crushing megaship expectations.
Hey friends, welcome back to the channel where we cut through the hype and give you the real talk on cruising. If you picked hook 1, 2, or 3, you're already in the right place because Celebrity Xcel is not just another new ship. It's the 5th and final Edge-class vessel, and it's built different. At roughly 141,000 gross tons and carrying about 3,260 guests at double occupancy, it's noticeably smaller than the true megaships like Icon of the Seas or Oasis-class vessels that push 250,000 plus tons and 5,000 to 7,000 passengers. But here's the twist. That smaller size is exactly why it's beating expectations. More space per person, better service, bolder innovation, and zero overwhelm.
Number 10. Passenger capacity and space ratio. The less is more factor. What it is, Celebrity Xcel carries roughly 3,260 guests double occupancy, max around 3,950. That's thousands fewer people than the megaships. Why it's beating megaship expectations? You get way more elbow room everywhere, wider hallways, shorter lines at the buffet, and actual personal space on the pool deck. Megaships feel like theme parks on busy days. Xcel feels like a boutique resort at sea. Less crowding means you actually relax instead of competing for lounge chairs.
Crew-to-guest ratio, service that feels personal. What it is, Celebrity keeps that premium 1 to 3-ish crew-to-guest ratio across the Edge class, and Xcel inherits it with 1,400 plus crew members. Why it's beating megaship expectations? On those 7,000 passenger beasts, you're just another face in the crowd. Here, your bartender remembers your drink order by day 2. Your cabin steward knows your name. It's the kind of attentive service that megaships simply can't scale.
The magic carpet, the most photogenic and functional platform at sea. What it is? That cantilevered, moving platform that hangs off the side of the ship, shifting between decks to become a bar, lounge, or even tender platform. Why it's beating megaship expectations. Megaships have giant water slides and zip lines, but nothing feels as cool or Instagram-worthy as sipping a cocktail while literally floating 100 feet above the ocean on a moving deck. It's innovative, not gimmicky, and it's still one of the most unique features in cruising.
Number 7. Infinite verandas, your private ocean balcony reimagined. What it is, instead of a traditional balcony, most staterooms feature floor-to-ceiling sliding glass that turns your entire veranda into an extended living room with direct sea views. Why it's beating megaship expectations? You get more usable indoor-outdoor space without sacrificing cabin size. Megaships pack in tiny balconies that feel like afterthoughts. Xcel makes every room feel like a suite.
The Bazaar, the new heart of the ship. What it is? A completely fresh, interactive marketplace and dining concept that replaces the Eden-style lounge on earlier Edge ships. Think destination-inspired shops, live performances, and rotating culinary pop-ups that change with the itinerary. Why it's beating megaship expectations? Megaships have malls. Xcel has an experience that actually connects you to the ports you're visiting. It feels fresh, cultural, and way more sophisticated.
Bora, rooftop dining done right. What it is, the brand new elevated rooftop restaurant and bar experience perched high on the ship with panoramic views. Why it's beating megaship expectations. While megaships throw in extra-charge specialty restaurants, Xcel's rooftop concept feels like a vacation within a vacation. Open air, breezy, and designed for sunset dinners you'll remember forever. It's elevated without being stuffy. Attic at the Club, grown-up fun hub. What it is? A reimagined social space with pool tables, games, craft cocktails, and a cozy, clubby vibe. Why it's beating megaship expectations? Megaships have massive kids clubs and arcades. Xcel gives adults a sophisticated hangout that feels like your favorite speakeasy crossed with a luxury lounge, perfect for after-dinner drinks and laughs.
Number 3. The Retreat, true suite luxury. What it is, Celebrity's exclusive ship-within-a-ship for suite guests, private lounge, restaurant, sundeck, and concierge service. Xcel has even more suites than previous Edge ships. Why it's beating megaship expectations? Megaship suite areas are often just bigger rooms with a lounge. The retreat on Xcel feels like a private 5-star resort. If you splurge, you really feel it.
Number 2. 32 dining options. Choice without chaos. What it is, from main dining to 32 total venues, including new concepts, casual bites, and elevated specialty restaurants. Why it's beating megaship expectations? Megaships brag about hundreds of dining options, but half of them are the same buffet repeated across decks. Xcel focuses on quality and variety that actually feels curated. No endless lines, just consistently excellent food.
Overall modern luxury design philosophy, built for connection, not just size. What it is? The entire ship is designed around modern luxury, wellness, immersive entertainment, and destination connection rather than sheer scale. Why it's beating megaship expectations? This is the big one. Megaships wow you with size. Xcel wows you with how good it feels to be on board. The layout flows beautifully. The aesthetics are sleek and calming, and every detail, from the art to the lighting, is built so you actually connect with the ocean, your fellow passengers, and the destinations. In a world obsessed with biggest ever, Celebrity Xcel proves that thoughtful and refined still wins.
So there you have it, the top 10 reasons Celebrity Xcel 2026 is the smaller ship that's quietly and confidently beating every megaship expectation in the industry right now. It's not trying to be the biggest, it's trying to be the best. And from everything we've seen since it launched in late 2025 and rolled into its 2026 Caribbean and Mediterranean seasons, it's delivering. If you're trying to decide between a massive megaship or something more intimate and elevated, I genuinely think Xcel is the smarter choice for most people who want luxury without the chaos. Drop a comment below. Have you sailed an Edge-class ship yet? Would you book Xcel in 2026? And if this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest cruise breakdowns, and hit the bell so you never miss a new ship deep dive. Links to current Xcel itineraries, deck plans, and my favorite suites are all down in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Safe sailing!